Let's talk crafting tools. One of my very favorite things to use for crafting instead of a cutting machine are stencils. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a new stencil set that I picked up on Amazon, and we're going to create several different DIYs using this one stencil set. So let's get started. For this project, we're going to create a Hello Fall sign, and this is one of the bigger signs that you can pick up at Hobby Lobby in the unfinished wood area. I'm going to be using this stencil set right here, and I will link it down in my description box if you want to pick it up, but it comes with all of those stencils that are pictured below. We're going to be using the Hello Fall stencil for this one, and I did tape it together to fit on here because it's quite a large stencil, so you want to make sure that you have all the pieces together the way that you want them to go. So I used a navy blue for the hello and then a sage color, which I'll link all my colors down in the bottom as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some paint and connect the letters because I like it to look like a full fluid letter rather than the pieces that are cut off in between. So I just went ahead and went over all the letters to do that, and here it is, styled in some decor.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
For this project, we're going to make a Hello Pumpkin sign, and I combined two stencils here. So I took one of the hellos from the Hello Pumpkin larger sign, and I took the little pumpkin that is at the bottom of that sign and combined them together to make this wood round. I used a navy blue for the dark bottom color, and then the sage or blue color on top, which gives it a really fun contrasted blue color. Then I made a shabby bow just using some fabric and ribbon that I had on hand. My ribbon's from Dollar Tree and my fabric came from Hobby Lobby, and here it is, styled in some decor.
I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my...
Do you know what time it is? It's time to hit the like button. So don't forget to go down, hit the like button if you are enjoying today's video, and let's get back to the DIYs. For this project, we're going to make a Hello Fall pumpkin sign, and a shout out to my friend Brittany who had a garage sale this summer, and she had me come over to get things before the garage sale started. So she gave me lots of wood pieces, and so this is one of those wood pieces. So it's a Ray Dunn inspired stencil, so we went ahead and put on Hello Fall here. I don't like the leaf, so I decided to cover it with a wood round. I painted the wood round with a darker orange color, and then I'm going to hot glue that right over the leaf. Then I'm going to add some ribbon as a ribbon bow to the top of the wood round to give it a pumpkin look. And then over in the left-hand corner, we're going to be adding a shabby bow. So I just took some ribbons that came from the Dollar Tree and my fabric that I picked up on sale at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to make the shabby bow, glue that around in the middle, and then we're going to glue it to this left-hand side. Then I decided to go ahead and add a couple of buttons, and I'm just going to add that right to the middle of the bow. I added a bigger one, and then a medium-sized one, and then a small one, just to give it some different colors and just some fun elements here. And then here it is, styled in some decor. For this project, we're going to make a round pumpkin sign, and I took a wood round that I got from Hobby Lobby. I covered it in some white folk art chalk paint, and then I dry brushed it in a bluish green folk art chalk paint. Then I'm going to take these two colors and I'm going to use this pumpkin stencil. I use the orange color to do the solid parts and then the burgundy kind of maroon color to do the stripe parts. It gives it a really fun contrasted color, and I really love these two colors together. Then I took some Hobby Lobby, this ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. I made a shabby bow and then I put some buttons here in the middle, and then here it is styled in some decor.
My mama said, I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment.
For this project, we're going to make a simple fall sign, and this is another wood piece that came from my friend Brittany. I'm just going to take the fall that was in the Hello Fall stencil, and I'm just going to paint that on there, and then I took just some ribbon that I tied in a shoelace bow. I'm going to glue that up at the top left-hand corner, and then I'm going to take another button, glue that into the middle, and then here it is styled in some decor.
Babe, weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause
If you love farmhouse decor, shabby chic decor, and a little bit of mixture of both of those, which I like to refer to as Shabby Farmhouse, then hit that subscribe button, become a part of my YouTube family, and let's get crafting together. For this project, we're going to create a leaf house sign, and this is one of the house cutouts from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and covered it with some folk art white chalk paint, and then I dry brushed it with some glacier folk art chalk paint. Then I took the leaf stencil, and I'm using some sage folk art chalk paint, and I covered it with that sage paint. Then I took some fabric that I had on hand and I just made a really quick little shabby bow. I just put these ones all together. I didn't make them like diagonal or anything. Used some twine, tied them off in the middle. This is a really fun way to use up any extra scraps of ribbon or fabric, and they make super cute bows. Then I'm going to glue this up to the top of my little house, and of course I'm going to add a little button there in the middle just for some added texture and fun elements, and then here it is styled in some decor.
falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said.
Well, I fell in love with this stencil set. Let me know what you guys think. There are so many projects you can create with these one stencil set, and I'm super excited to keep using it all during the fall. If you want some more fall inspiration, check out these videos right here, and wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends!